Alright, so I have my burps. Most of them. There's more that been down there for my winter project, but nothing else been used. Alright, so we can use those there. Build up a double side rock wall leading to just paved brick wall to get into the tunnel. Figure out the placement of those yellow bricks there, and I do want the window for the fire station to be somewhat useful. But yeah, big bunch of burps. Alright, that's what they're called. Google what they mean. I'll look it up later. Alright, thanks for watching. Keep watching, so on and so forth. Go for some subs. Let's get 2,000 this year. Alright, later.